ready for. Do his own little leaner wall over there. There you go. He probably doesn't want to roll it, but we'll see.
And that station wagon came from Frog Stopper Auto. Boy, is he going to be surprised when he gets his station wagon back. Aaron Cameron. 1980 Chevy, 35-inch tires.
Oh yeah, look at that. Is he going to get through there? Oh, there's a bit of a lead for you.
Darcy Rimmer now.
Burn his way out of there.
Darcy Rimmer running there.
Looks like he might have popped the tire off the bead on that right front there. That's going to cause him a bit of trouble.
We got teeter-totter action here. Darcy Rimmer on the teeter-totter.
Down he goes.
Darcy Rimmer on the school bus.
I think he's going to reposition himself here. Here we go. Oh, he's getting close there.
7-year-old excavator driver. Incredible.
Your card up to the tower, please. We got a bunch of cards that don't have one. No card, no score.
Oh, they got air back in the 2 tires on the driver's side, or passenger side. Checking the engine now. Going for the mud anyways. Got her all back together. Still took care of it. Finished his challenge, his competition. Oh, what? Yeah, spitting mud at us now for sure.
Bring it up the side for the captain. One pass down the side. Did you miss it? Figure out.
It's a long way down.
It was a long ways down.
Especially when you're that high up.
It was slow for like the halfway, but once I got here,
It was going.
then it was going.
Well, then you had all the weight. You had the weight.
Had the weight, and the weight took over, and then it kind of like this, and then I just put my arms up. It's like, oh, this is gonna hurt.
It actually went down not too bad, like fairly gracefully.
Yeah.
Like it didn't do the big land on its roof. It sort of rolled on its roof. Yeah. I think with the suspension doing the big open up, like it absorbs so much of the impact, and the tires hit, then basically the body just rolls after that.